Once you've successfully registered and installed your Delivery Trust Outlook plugin, you can locate it by going to Compose a new email in Outlook. And on the right-hand side, you will see the Delivery Trust toolbar now showing up in your Compose message screen. We have two different tabs on this. We have the authentication choices and security policies, which I will review individually. Please note that the authentication choices are purely an optional additional layer of security. You are not required to use any, but if you would like, you can use as many as you wish. This information will actually be populated from your contact cards if the recipient is one of your known contacts. So if you watch the right-hand side, when I input a known contact, it'll automatically pull any information that it knows about this user. But for the sake of this demo, I'm going to go ahead and pretend that we don't know any information about this user and uncheck these boxes. If I'd like to manually enter any of this information, I can do so, completely up to you. Or for this sake, I'm not going to use any passwords. So long as you are hitting the Secure Send button at the end of the message will be encrypted, regardless of whether or not you've used additional layers of security on the authentication choices. So once we have the authentication choices as we like them, we can click over to the Security Policies tab, and here is where we can enforce some control features. So we can disable the printing and forwarding ability of the recipient. We can also disable their ability to download a copy of the email. We can also disable the downloading of attachments. This means that they will be able to open and view the attachment, but they will not be able to save or download a copy of the attachment. Next, we have a notification when an email is first read. This is essentially a read receipt, but the recipient will not know that it's occurring. They will not have the ability to deny it, as it happens on the back end. You also have the ability to restrict the length of time the email is available to be viewed. You have the option from 1 day all the way to a month, or no limit at all. You can also limit the amount of times they can open and view the email, completely up to you. So if we have our email ready to go and the authentication and security policies as we like them, we can go ahead and hit Secure Send.